Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're going to talk about something that is associated with us every day, about everyday living around the house. Let's talk about electronic appliances in the house, okay? 比如说我们大家都一定回家都会想要看电视，
错，
对不对？
对呀。
然后回家看电视，如果电视坏了就Oh my God, 太难过了。You don't want to go home and find out that your television set is broken, but if it is, how would you say that? 电视机坏了怎么说？
天丝坏掉了。
哎呀，天丝坏掉了。比如说电风扇也坏掉，也可以这样说嘛。
天山坏掉了。
天山坏掉了。Also, we also like to remind people not to open the refrigerator often because you're going to waste a lot of electricity. 所以我们要呼吁大家不要一直开冰箱，会浪费电哦。
唔好紧开冰箱。
唔好紧开冰箱。
大送天。
大送天是什么意思？
浪费电。
哦，是哦 ，OK， 大送天 ，OK， that means wasting electricity if you keep on opening the refrigerator. Alice 有煮饭对不对？
有啊。
哦，我也会。
但是我想你应该是属于那种饭煮不熟的。
不是没熟
啊，没有熟啊，因为你饭忘了按电锅了。
他连煮都没煮啊，对，被 Alice 发现了。怎么讲呢？
唔記得。
唔記得，哦，忘了嘛，对不对？唔記得 that means I forgot.
Kim Chok 天鍋嘅天。
Kim Chok 天鍋嘅天，電鍋是哪一個字？
天鍋。
哦，天鍋 ，OK, that's a rice cooker. And so I'm sorry, there is no rice today. 飯沒煮。
翻沙冇煮。
啊哈，翻沙冇煮 ，OK。
海陸腔。
海陸腔 ，OK，different dialect for
飯是不一樣。
OK。
盤。
哦，盤。
盤。盤沙冇煮。
That's a totally different way of saying rice in a different dialect in Hakka. 飯 is 四線，盤 is 海陸。
Yeah.
All right, so there we go. Let's review these terms. My television set is broken. 電視機壞了。
天絲壞掉。
天絲壞掉。And maybe the fan is broken. 電風扇。
天山。
天山。Don't open the refrigerator frequently. It's going to waste electricity. 不要一直開冰箱，浪費電哦。
唔好緊開冰箱。
唔好緊開冰箱。
大送天。
大送天 wasting electricity. And finally, hopefully you won't do this like me. 忘了按電鍋，飯沒煮。I didn't press the rice cooker. The rice is not even ready.
唔記得。
唔記得。
Kim Chok 天鍋嘅天。
Kim Chok 天鍋嘅天。
翻沙冇煮。
翻沙冇煮 Okay, there you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太嘎。
我是谁张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.